pie crust versus Grand's Biscuit. This one Pillsbury Grand's Biscuits. Look at that! Oh my goodness! I'm gonna tell you about it here in a minute. All right, this one here is really, really good. It's easy. Actually, I used, and I always leave a link where I use this down below. It goes to my Amazon store. I love this thing. The little pink one's a little too small, but if you use the green one, you can get 4 for every circle pie crust. That's what I do, and then I just throw little extras in there, little nibbles, you know, put in some salsa or something. But now this one is the Grand's. There's 6 of them, but I have 5 here because when I stretch them out, I need just a tad more. The only reason that they're a little bit browner than I wanted is because I was in there watching In the Kitchen with Karen, because she's got a video out and she's cooking the corn dog video, but she upscaled it from what I made, and she's using Uncle Steve's shake, and she's doing a giveaway with some Papa Texas stuff that I sent her. That's right. You have a chance to be in that contest, by the way. You got 1 week to do what she says to win the Uncle Steve shake. That's right. Now these, I mean, it feels like dough. Yeah, sure does. All right, you want me to open one? I know you do. This is carne asada. Oh, it's like, I mean, if I had to put sea salt on it, it'd have been like a pretzel. Got me some cheese in there and carne asada. And this one over here, boom. This one's taco meat, Lito's Cocina taco meat. I'll leave a link down to Lito's Cocina because he's now, instead of a jar, selling it in a bag. And the bag is awesome looking. Hey Litos, you need to send me one of them bags so I can show everybody. Yeah. He was out at a flea market today, down in San Antonio. So we got a new series coming up, but we also have a brand spanking new grill in there. I have yet to see anybody cook on it on YouTube, and it's awesome. All right, it's not sold everywhere yet, so it's gonna be awesome. You're gonna want to stay connected. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up to help my algorithms help get me out there. PT, Papa Texas, PT, pretty terrific. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Y'all have a fantastic week coming up. I'll see you next Sunday. See ya.